Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the Philips Norelco Shaver Series 9000 Prestige, a cutting-edge, wet and dry electric shaver that promises skin-level closeness and comfort, even on a dense 7-day beard. This is the type of product that aims to bring both precision and luxury to your shaving routine. So let's take a closer look at what makes it stand out in a crowded market. The Philips Norelco Shaver Series 9000 Prestige comes packed with features designed to provide the ultimate shaving experience. At the heart of it is the SenseIQ Technology, which continuously adapts the shaver's power to match your hair's density, cutting up to 500 times per second for a more customized shave. The blades themselves are made of space-grade steel, ensuring durability and longevity. Think of them as the aerospace equivalent of your everyday razor. That's right, these blades are designed to stay sharp and tackle even the toughest hair, all while resisting wear and tear over time. What's truly impressive about this shaver is its ability to provide skin-level closeness, achieved through 360-degree rotating space-grade steel precision blades. The lift and cut system lifts the hair as it cuts, ensuring a smoother finish with each pass, getting as close as 0.0 millimeters. The Ultraflex Suspension System makes sure the shaver adapts to the contours of your face, even reaching tricky areas like the neck and upper lip with ease. The Hydro SkinGlide Coating further enhances comfort by making the glide 50% smoother, reducing irritation for those with sensitive skin. Real-life testing of this shaver is where it really shines. I used it both wet and dry, and I must say the versatility is impressive. During dry use, the precision trimmer was a game changer for edging around my beard, while the nose trimmer took care of those hard-to-reach areas without any discomfort. The smooth glide felt gentle, and I noticed less pulling compared to my regular electric shaver. I also tried it in the shower, and it performed just as effectively, providing a clean shave without any nicks or irritation. But as with any product, there are a few things to consider. The price point is on the higher end, especially when compared to other electric shavers on the market. While the technology and precision are top-notch, it's important to ask yourself if the investment is right for you. For those who shave regularly and demand top-tier performance, this may be a worthwhile splurge. However, if you're just looking for a basic shave, there are more budget-friendly options that might do the job just fine. When it comes to value for money, the Philips Norelco Shaver Series 9000 Prestige certainly holds its ground. The materials, including the space-grade steel blades, are durable and designed to last. It's a long-term investment, with the blades designed to self-sharpen for up to 2 years, and a warranty that stretches up to 5 years, ensuring you get your money's worth in terms of durability and performance. The inclusion of the nose trimmer and precision trimmer adds extra value, as it's like getting multiple grooming tools in one. In terms of comparisons, the Series 9000 Prestige does set itself apart with its advanced SenseIQ technology and Ultraflex Suspension System, both of which elevate the shaving experience beyond that of a standard electric razor. If you're looking for a shaver that adapts to your specific needs and provides a precision shave, this is a step up from other popular models in the market. However, if you're willing to sacrifice some of those high-end features, there are alternatives like the Philips Norelco Shaver 7000 series, which still offers solid performance at a lower price point. The build quality is exceptional. The sleek Adriatic blue color is not only attractive but also durable, while the Qi charging pad and quick clean pod offer practical solutions for daily maintenance. These features make it easy to keep the shaver in top condition, ensuring it's always ready for use. It's also worth noting that the entire set, which includes the nose trimmer and precision trimmer, feels premium in hand. It's clear that this product is built to last. If you've had the chance to try this shaver, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let us know how it's worked for you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. You can find the link to purchase this shaver in the description or comment section below. If you've used this product, share your experiences with us. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.